Japan's exports slip and fresh sign recovery is sputtering. Japan's exports edged down for the first time in 3 months in November, in a fresh sign of pressure on the economy as it struggles to recover from a contraction over the summer. Exports fell 0.2% from a year earlier as shipments of steel and chip-making equipment continued to fall, the finance ministry said Wednesday. Economists had forecast a 1.4% increase. Imports dropped 11.9%, helped by further falls in the overall value of gas and coal purchases. That compared with the consensus for an 8.6% decline. EURUSD, watch DXY 102.60 for clues. Today I'm going to share a must-watch level on the US dollar index, DXY, that could offer significant clues for EURUSD this month. I'll discuss key levels and targets if dollar bulls can follow through. The EURUSD has been a difficult currency pair to read over the last few weeks. One reason for that is the pair's indecision at the 1.0930 key level from August. We've seen the euro fail to hold that level as new support twice since late November, with the most recent occurrence being just last week. This is one of those times where paying attention to the DXY can pay off, quite literally. The DXY key levels are easier to read than those on the EURUSD, especially 102.60. RBNZ is assessing surprisingly subdued GDP data, or says. New Zealand's central bank was surprised by data last week showing the economy shrank, but has no opinion yet on what it means for the interest rate outlook, according to Governor Adrian Orr. The unexpected 0.3% contraction in third-quarter gross domestic product compared to the Reserve Bank's forecast of 0.3% growth, while revisions showed the economy had been much weaker over the preceding year. The data was surprisingly subdued, or told a Parliament Select Committee Wednesday in Wellington. We are internalizing that complex situation and will be back in February with our monetary policy statement. Learn from your mistakes, keeping a trading journal. There are plenty of trading journal software applications available. But it doesn't need to be that complicated. A composition notebook or spreadsheet might be enough. A trading journal should be more than just a log of transactions. Traders battle the market in their own biases at the same time. Your trading journal should include these 9 items. Date and time. Traded product/contract. Position size. Trade direction/strategy. Entry price, date and time. Exit price, date and time. Profit and loss. Market condition analysis. Psychological state. UK CPI Preview, inflation set to fall further in November, remaining above BoE target. The all-important UK CPI report will be published by the Office for National Statistics on Wednesday. Headline and core annual inflation are likely to extend their declining trend. What to expect from the next UK inflation report? The headline annual UK Consumer Price Index is forecast to rise 4.4% in November, slowing slightly from October's 4.6% increase. The data would continue to sit at its lowest since October 2021 while more than double the BoE's 2.0% target. The core CPI inflation is seen declining to 5.6% in November, as against a 5.7% reading in October. Meanwhile, Britain's CPI is expected to rise 0.1% over the month, having reported no growth in October. Thank you.